Hello everyone. Now we solve some important multiple choice questions of subject Basic Science Chemistry, semester first in first year diploma Engineering and Technology. So in this set we solve some important MCQs, important multiple choice questions of Basic Science subject, Basic Science Chemistry. So first MCQs we learn. Look at here in MCQs first. So question first, water molecule is, your option is monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic. So in our water molecule there are 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms is there. So correct option is a triatomic. Okay, next one, which of the following is not a weak electrolyte? First one, ammonium hydroxide. Second one, potassium hydroxide, acetic acid and carbonic acid. In that, ammonium hydroxide, acetic acid and carbonic acid, these are weak electrolytes, and KOH means potassium hydroxide is strong electrolyte. So correct option is option B. Third one is the example of primary type chemical bond. So hydrogen bond, London force, dipole-dipole interaction, these are molecular interaction. So this is examples of secondary type chemical bond. So correct option C, covalent bond, is an example of primary chemical bond. Next question is oxidation reduction reaction involves transfer of, option C is the correct, option C, electrons. Option A is the protons, B is the neutrons, C is the electrons and D is the none of the above. So for question number 4, C option is correct because in electrons are characteristics properties of every element. So in oxidation reduction reactions, electrons involve transfer of electrons. Next one, metal loss electrons from their lattice to become, option A, positive ion, option B, negative ion, C, non-metal and D, inert gas. So option A is the correct. Metal loss of their outermost electrons and form positive ions species, positive ions formed. Next one, question number 6. A good paint must have, option A, high covering power, option B, brushing characteristics light, option C, reflecting properties and option D, all of these. So first 3 are properties of good paints. So option D is the correct, all of these. Next one, thinner are added to a paint to improve, option A, improve drying quality, option B, reduce the cost, option C, reduce the consistency and option D, provide waterproofness. So question number 7, option A is the correct. Thinner are added to the paint for improving drying quality of paint. Next one, question number 8, tendency of atoms to acquire 8 electrons in their valence shell is, this is known as octet rule. This sentence is known as octet rule. So option C is correct for question number 8. Next one, the substance which increase the rate of chemical reaction and yet remain unchanged as the end of chemical reactions, and ultimately the substance is unchanged, and that substance which increase the rate of chemical reactions, this substance is known as catalyst. So option A is correct for question number 9. Look at question number 10. In question number 10, electrode potential is the tendency of metal, option A, to gain of electrons, option B, to loss of electrons, means lose of electrons, C, either loss or gain of electrons, either loss or gain of electrons, and D, none of the above. So option D is wrong. And for question number 10, option C is the correct. Electrode potential means tendency of metal to loss and gain of electrons. Question number 11 is the example of crystalline solid. So you mention answer, correct answer of this multiple choice question. You mention in comment. Option A is a glass, option B is a plastic, option C is a rubber, and option D is a sodium chloride. So option B, option C are wrong options. So out of that two, you choose correct options for question number 11 and mention answer of this question in comment box. Look at here, question number 12. Which one is the not insulating materials? Which one is not insulating material? Option A, glass wool, thermocol, asbestos and iron. So iron is not insulating material, it's a good conductor, and remaining three are examples of insulators. Highly thick adhesives produce. There are options. Option A, thick film having good adhesions. B, thick film having poor adhesions. Next one, thin films having good adhesions. And last one, thin film having poor adhesions. So option B and option D definitely wrong. And out of that C and A, option A is the correct for question number 13. Next one, the following factors play vital role in corrosion process. So temperature and pressure both of increase the rate of corrosion. So option C is correct, both A and B. Foodstuff, question number 15. Foodstuff containers should not be a galvanized, tin, electroplated and all of these. So in galvanized containers, if you put foodstuffs in galvanized containers, so galvanized containers are poisonous. So option A is the correct. You don't put foodstuff in galvanized container. Question number 16. The process used to deposit one metal over the another metal is called as electrolysis, electrorefining, electroplating and electrometallurgy. So correct option of this question is question number C. Electroplating means the process of deposition of one metal over the another metal. Next one, sodium combines with chlorine. In its molecule form, bond is option A, ionic bond, B, covalent bond, C, coordinate bond, and last option is dative bond. Out of that four options, option A is the correct, ionic bond. And ionic bond is also known as electrovalent bond. So sodium combines with chlorine to form ionic or electrovalent bond. Question number 18. Oxygen molecule is an example of single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond and dative bond. Means dative covalent bond. So out of that, in oxygen molecules, there are double covalent bond is present like this. O2 molecule which present double covalent bond. So option B is the correct. Graphite is which types of lubricants? Graphite is which types of lubricants? Solid, semi-solid, liquid or gases? So graphite is a solid lubricants. Option A is the correct. For 20, question number 20, when the reactant and the catalyst are in same phase is said to be as. Question number 20, when the reactants and the catalyst are in the same phase is said to be as. Option A, homogeneous catalyst is a correct option. And when the reactant and catalyst are in different phase is said to be as option B, heterogeneous catalyst. So for question number 20, option A is the correct. When reactant and catalyst are in same phase, homogeneous catalyst, and reactant and catalyst are in different phase. Instead of same, here different phase. Correct option is a heterogeneous catalyst. Question number 21. Metals are good conductors due to proton, neutrons, delocalized electrons, and mostly solid. These are options, 4 options. Out of that, option number 3 are correct options because characteristics of metals are depends on the delocalization of delocalized electrons, movable electrons, moving electrons. Question number 22. Daniell cell. Question number 22. Daniell cell is the example of primary cell, secondary cell, fuel cell. None of these. These are options. Out of that, option number A is the correct option. Primary cell. Daniell cell is the best example of primary cell. Next one, which is not the property of adhesives. Which is not the properties of adhesives. Look at here. Degree of tackiness is the properties of adhesive. Second one, rapidity of bonding is also property. Strength of the bonds on drying is a property of adhesives. So time required for cooling, it is not property of adhesives. So option D is the correct. Next one, to question number 24. By mutual sharing of electrons form covalent bond. Option B is the correct. By mutual sharing of electrons form covalent bond. Ionic bond is formed due to completely transfer of electrons. Next one, in ionized or solution state, that is a good dash dash is a good conductors of electricity. NaCl, diamond, ammonia and CO2. So NaCl in ionized or solution states, solution of NaCl is a good conductors of electricity. Next one, question number 26. Question number 26. Unit cell is the smallest building unit of liquid gases, crystal lattice and hydrogen. So option C is the correct. Unit cell of smallest building unit is crystal lattice. Question number 27. Electro refining of metal is purification of metal, extraction of metal, fabrication of metal and metallurgy of metal. So question number 27, correct option is A. Electro refining of metals means purification of metals. Question number 28. A polymer which cannot be softened by reheating is called thermosetting polymers, thermosoftening polymer, thermoplastic polymer and rubber. So rubber is a wrong answer. Thermosoftening and thermoplastic means same type of, these are same types of. So option is A is a correct. A polymer which cannot be softened by reheating is known as thermosetting polymer. Next one, galvanizing is a process of coating of iron on iron with tin, zinc, copper and nickel. Galvanizing. Galvanizing means it's a galvanizing used for the protection of metals, mostly coating of iron with one of the element, more active element on iron. So you choose correct answer of that question number 29 and mention the correct options in your comment box. Look at question. Galvanizing is the process of coating of iron with option A tin, option B zinc, option C copper, option D nickel. So C and option D are wrong answer. So you choose correct answer of in both. In that option A and option B, you choose correct answer for question number 29 and mention comment box. Question number 13. Commercial name of epoxy resin is. Commercial name of epoxy resin is A. Alcohol, B. Araldite, C. Ammonia, and D. Ebonite. So out of that, option B is the correct. Araldite. Epoxy resin is also known as araldite.